Hi everyone and welcome to the course. In this course, we are going to build an advanced REST API using Python, the Django REST Framework, and Docker. In this great course, you will not only learn the tools, but also how to think like a backend engineer. My name is Faraz, and I'm a software developer and DevOps engineer with a passion for building scalable, robust backend systems. So, in this course, we'll cover user authentication and permissions, creating and filtering objects, uploading and serving images, setting up Dockerized environments, managing media and static files, using Postgres as the production-ready database. This course is ideal if you're a developer looking to improve your backend skills or someone preparing to build production-level APIs. Whether you're freelancing, working on a startup idea, or just leveling up, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on updates. Are you excited to start this journey with me? Drop a comment and let me know where you're joining from.